welcome to my channel. My name is Amin and I'm a graphic designer and hand lettering artist. Okay, in this tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to make a minimalistic icon or logo based on a certain image or image. So first of all, we have to choose the subjects or the image we'll be working on. So I chose this image where we have this dude putting a turban on. So the first thing we do, we have to choose, okay, so we choose the pen tool, stroke, we go to like 10 points, I guess 10 points, let's go for that for now, and round caps and round join. Okay, first thing first, we have to draw the facial features of this person. So we have the jawline like this. Okay, cool. Go all the way up like this, and then to the end of the face. And just gonna fix this one here like this. Okay, cool. And here. Okay, maybe we'll get back to it later. Let's see how it will look at the end and then fix that. Yes, 1, 2. So make sure when you trace, make sure guys to make the lines less wiggly. Just make it smooth, as smooth as possible. And now we go to the nose. We trace the nose like this. For the nose, try to get like the expressive features of the nose too, not too much details, just the essentials. Alright, so after that we will work on the mustache. Okay, we'll do this. Nope, like this. Okay, and then go round like that. Maybe the line is too thick, not sure yet, we'll see. Okay, and from here to now I'm gonna join this two here, like, okay. Okay, good. These two in here, a little bit up. Sure, I don't like it, so I guess I will go for the first choice I wanted to do, is to make it like that here. Okay, so you can see doing this, so I can see that the roundness of the end of the mustache. Okay, like this. I think I'm gonna add an anchor point here and then make it round like this. Okay, cool. It looks better. And then go here, make it round as well. Okay, now we're gonna continue with the mustache. Okay, good. It's okay to make imperfect shapes, non-perfect shapes or shapes, and then go back to it later and fix it, because we have to trace the main or the key element of the object. That's how we do it. So go here, doing this, make it. Okay, I guess I'm gonna push this one a little bit further outside the face. Alright, cool. Now we have the nose, the mustache, and I'm gonna add a small line in here for the lips like this. See how it looks. Yep, pretty good. Now I'm gonna trace the ears, or just one ear we have here, like this. Just a little bit to the inside. Yeah, nothing too perfect or detail oriented. We just have to make it as minimalistic as possible. For the eyes, I'll be use the fill in here, and for the upper part we'll be using the stroke. Same goes for the other one. Okay, like this. I mean, I don't have to. For this tutorial, I didn't take the expression of his face or anything special, just the basic features, the physical one. And yeah, we have here, I think I'm gonna take this anchor point, push it a little bit to the top. Alright, cool. For this part in here, I have to get rid of this line, so what I'm gonna do is choose the shape builder tool and press Alt and click on this line, and then it's gone. Alright, we're good. Yep, pretty cool. Then for the turban, I'm going to trace every part of it separately, like this. As I said, nothing too fancy, just like as don't like take the whole details. Don't use the whole details of the turban, or I mean the most elements here. Just like that. Go around to the ears like this, and then I'm gonna take this one here and here, and then go over this. Okay, cool. So, and I have this one. I'm just gonna take I'm not gonna take the whole shape because it will look a little bit pushed away from the face, like this. Okay, just like this. I'm gonna get back to that later. And then we have this in here. Trace it, make it a little bit round, and then here link it with the part. Okay, I guess we're done here with the whole face and everything. So yeah, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna fix all the anchor point that doesn't look good, anything. So yeah, I'm gonna take this one, push it a little bit to the top like this. Alright, cool. I guess this one should be over everything in here like this, and push a little bit further to the back, and this one too. Okay, that's cool. I guess this one should be so. From here we just work on it without using references, just to see things clearly. And yeah, so here it is, guys. I guess I'm going to, yeah, from here too, I'm gonna push it to the top a little bit like this. All right, looks pretty decent. This one in here too. Okay, so well, I think I'm missing something. Yeah, the earrings. I'm going to add the earrings, like small circle, delete this, and just wait. Yeah, something like that. Okay, yeah, it looks cool. Yeah, you can guys play around with the with the style. You can work on the corners, make it all round corners maybe. I don't know, it's always up to you to make your touch on it. So here it is, guys. Let me know what you think about this one, and also let me know, guys, what do you want to see in the next tutorial. Let me know, guys, what do you want to know, what yeah, what I can do for you, what can I do for you guys. So here I'm going to go in object, expand, and fill in stroke, and then make it a little bit smaller, put it next to it, and see. As you can see, guys, it's pretty close to it, yet not the same, because we are just using a minimalistic concept. We didn't take all the features, we just take the essentials one at like the face, the jawline, and the key factors of this picture. So here you go, guys. Let me know what you think, and please like this video, subscribe, and share with your friends. Let's share knowledge and creativity. And let me know, guys, what do you want for the next tutorial, and see you in the next one.